Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll explore variables in Python. Okay, because if you're a beginner in Python and if you don't know exactly what is variable actually is, please stay in the video. I'll explore what is variable and why it is important. Okay, so let's get started. Imagine a variable as a container, okay, or a box where you can store anything. In a box or container, you can store anything like any book, any pen, any ball, anything you can store. So variable is like same. Okay, instead of storing a ball, pen, books, you can store mm, uh, you can store text and numbers or any character you can store in one variable or any big paragraph in one variable, so that later you can use it. This is called variable simply. Okay, I will give you example and you'll see that how it's work and how you can create variables. So let me give you example. I create a variable called name. I give a name Alice, and if I print this name, you'll see that Alice is stored in name variable. Name is a variable and it stores in the name. Whenever you need it, you can just call the name and you can whenever you need it, you can just call the name and you can access the Alice name. Okay, and there are some rules in variable you should follow, because I'll see you just if you create a variables with number, it will not work. I create this will not work. I print it, this will not work. You have to all over you have to use name, or you have to use character, or if you give space like this will also throw an error. This is also thrown. You can use underscore only. If you use underscore, it will work. It will work. Okay. There are some rules to creating a variable, and variable also is case sensitive. Okay. If you just print it capital N instead of small n, it will not work also. Okay. Here is name is not defined. Means all over time when you create variable, you have to keep in mind that the letter you use small letter or capital letter, because it is case sensitive. Means if you create variables in small letter, you have to use small letter. Okay, it's not just you create small letter and you call it as a capital letter, it will not work. So this is some rule of creating a variables. Also you can store I'll see you that also you can store any data type. You can store like I will store a my age is 26. I keep this, suppose I give a age. One variable is price. I give a price. Floating point number I will give 2. So if I print the price, it will work. Okay, and also you can do some mathematical calculation, like I x to take a variable I store 5 and y I store 10, and if I sum it x plus y, it will give me the result. You can do anything. Variable is so much important. You can store multiple values at a time. You can also create variable like this way. This is also work. If I print You can create also variable this way. You don't need to put x and y on by in different line. I also keep z in the same line, it will also work. It also work. Okay, this is how you can create variables. Variables is very important if you're a beginner. If you have to know what is variable is and how to use it. Okay, it's beginner, but it also asked by interviewer. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, please let me in the comment section. Thank you.